One day we were sitting together and we didn't know what to actually do. We don't have family here, so we get depressed, because the world is moving so fast and there is no help. We talk to them, we are going through, bit difficult stuff, and they said, we are here like a family.
I work in many different places before, and this time I wanted to do something I would like. I say, I don't want to just get up and go to work and just make money. I want to enjoy my work.
We always love to help people. And when I was doing delivery, I did not see delivery driver. I didn't see I'm doing enough. So what I wanted to do something different. They give us Lee contact number, and he is a really amazing person.
I was doubting myself about everything. I am not sure if I am good enough. I am not sure if my English is enough. And he said, I know you can do it.
Realise Your Potential, it's the employment and training support scheme. We work with our residents who are either unemployed or underemployed to achieve the skills, the knowledge that they require in order to either move into work away from the benefit system or gain secondary employment if they're underemployed. We support anyone that lives within our properties, so you don't have to be the person that pays the rent. As long as you live within that roof, if you need help, we'll help you.
He was there whenever we needed him. Day and night, I just text him and he said, don't worry, I'm here for you. He was there like elder brother, I would say. He always advised me good.
I didn't know that I actually can think about to do work like this. So he helped me to get confidence, definitely.
They are amazing as people and as a couple. They work hard to improve their situation. They've done absolutely everything that I could have asked of them with regards to what I needed them to do in order for them to move forward with their individual journeys and their journeys as a couple as well.
Everybody need a hand, So we find Lee was there and he said, just try it. There's nothing impossible.
Realise Your Potential reflects what the organisation wants to do in that it's a fundamental part of our corporate plan. As an organisation, we are keen to be more than a landlord, delivering more than just letting properties, collecting rent. We want to deliver extra services to make sure we sustain communities.